Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a TikTok account in 2024. This process is simple and quick, so let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to download the TikTok app. Head over to the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device or the App Store if you're on an iPhone. Just search for TikTok and install the app. It should only take a minute or so, depending on your internet connection. Once the app is downloaded, go ahead and open it. You'll be greeted with the option to either sign up or log in. Since we're creating a new account today, you'll want to choose the sign up option. TikTok gives you a few different ways to sign up. You can use your phone number, email, Facebook, Apple ID, or Google account. If you prefer to skip creating a brand new account, you can log in using an existing account from Facebook, Apple ID, or Google. But if you're signing up with a phone number or email, you'll need to provide your birthday first. TikTok asks for this to ensure you meet the age requirements to use the platform. After you've entered your birthday, you'll then need to input your phone number or email address depending on which method you chose. TikTok will guide you through the rest of the process with on-screen prompts. This might include a confirmation step, such as entering a code sent to your phone or email. If you want to avoid the email confirmation process, you can also log in with your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google account, which is a quicker option for many people. The whole process is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for you to get started on TikTok without any hassle. Once your account is set up, you're ready to start exploring and creating content on one of the most popular social media platforms out there. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you later.